Presenting Sony WH-CH510 Bluetooth wireless on-ear headphones with microphone in blue. The box contains the headphones, operating instruction and USB cable. They come in a size of 17.3 into 4.2 into 22.4 centimeters and weigh 132 grams. These wireless on-ear headphones are foldable. Enjoy powerful sound with seamless Bluetooth connectivity. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, these fast-charging headphones have a battery life of 35 hours. Enjoy hands-free calling with the inbuilt microphone and voice assistant. These are suitable for gaming and work. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.